Welcome to this video on adverbs of manner. In this video, we will learn how to identify adverbs of manner and where to use them in a sentence. Adverbs are descriptive words. They describe verbs, adjectives, other adverbs, and even entire sentences. There are many different types of adverbs, but in this video, we will focus on a type called adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner are adverbs that answer the question, how. They describe how or in what manner something is done. Adverbs of manner usually describe verbs and adjectives. Let's look at an example of how we use an adverb to modify a verb. In this sentence, I walk slowly down the hall. In this sentence, the adverb slowly modifies the verb walked. It explains how I walked down the hall. Let's look at another example, this time of an adverb modifying an adjective. In the sentence, my friend Sally is painfully shy. The word painfully is an adverb that modifies the adjective shy. It answers the question how. How shy? Painfully shy. Let's look now at some common adverbs of manner. There are many, many adverbs of manner in English, but these are just a few. Quickly, easily, carefully, naturally, clearly, willingly, loudly, well, and fast. Let's look now at how we place adverbs of manner in a sentence, starting with adverbs that modify verbs. Adverbs of manner can appear at many different places in a sentence, but usually when they describe verbs, they come in position 3, which is the end position. This means that they usually come after the verb. However, if the sentence has a direct or indirect object, the adverb comes after the object or objects and not right after the verb. Let's look at a few examples. Let's start with this sentence. Carol waited patiently for my answer. In this sentence, patiently comes directly after the verb waited. Let's look at another example. Bill opened the door cautiously. In this sentence, cautiously doesn't come directly after the verb opened. It comes after door. Because this sentence has a direct object, door, we have to put the adverb of manner cautiously after the word door, not after the verb. Sometimes we do place adverbs of manner in position 2, which is directly before the main verb. When we put an adverb of manner in position 2, it is a way of giving added emphasis to how something was done. Let's look at the second sentence again. Bill cautiously opened the door. In this sentence, cautiously now comes in position 2, which is directly before the main verb opened. In the sentence, the focus or emphasis is on how Bill opened the door. He opened it cautiously. Next, let's look at how we place adverbs of manner when they modify an adjective. When an adverb of manner modifies an adjective, it will come directly before the adjective that it modifies. Let's look at an example. Let's take the sentence, that movie was extremely boring. In this sentence, extremely is an adverb that modifies the adjective boring. It shows how boring. So we're going to place it right in front of that adjective. Let's look at another sentence and see if we can identify the best place to put the adverb of manner. This sentence is, Karen ran the marathon. In the sentence, Karen ran the marathon, let's decide where to put the adverb quickly to modify the verb ran. There are 4 different places that we can put the adverb in this sentence. We can put the adverb in position 1, 2, or 3, which would be either after the verb or object. So we can put it before the word Karen, we can put it before the word ran, we can put it before the word the, or we can put it after the word marathon. Let's take these one by one. If we put quickly in position 1, it sounds awkward. The sentence becomes, quickly Karen ran the marathon. So that's probably not the best placement for this adverb. Let's look at position 2. If we put quickly in position 2, it becomes, Karen quickly ran the marathon, which still sounds a little bit awkward. We can sometimes put adverbs of manner in position 2, but in this case, it's probably not the best placement. So that means we will need to put quickly in position 3, which is after the verb and object. So first, we need to identify if this sentence has an object. It does. The word marathon is the direct object because it answers the question what? Karen ran what? Karen ran the marathon. So the best placement of quickly is going to be after the word marathon. We can't put it directly after ran, which is directly after the verb. Let's see what happens when we do that. We would say Karen ran quickly the marathon. Again, this sounds awkward, and it's because in the end position, the adverb has to come after the verb and the object. Karen ran the marathon quickly. Let's look now at some commonly misused adverbs of manner. Let's take 2 adverbs of manner that are very often confused. Those would be well and fast. We'll start with well. Well is an adverb that means in a good way. So the adverb well and the adjective good are commonly confused. It is incorrect to say Ruth did good on her project. It is correct to say Ruth did well on her project. In this sentence, Ruth did well on her project, the word well modifies the verb did, so we can't use the adjective good to modify a verb. Now let's look at fast. Fast is an adverb that means at a high speed. Fast can be confusing because the same word fast can be used both as an adjective and as an adverb. Whether it is used as an adjective or adverb, the spelling remains the same. There is no ly form of fast. The word fastly is incorrect. It doesn't exist. We don't add an ly to make fast an adverb. We can say he drives fast cars because fast in this sentence is an adjective that modifies cars. Or we can say he drives cars fast. In this sentence, fast is an adverb that now modifies the verb drives. He drives cars fast. But we cannot say he drives cars fastly because there's no word fastly. We have to say he drives cars fast or he drives cars quickly because those are both adverbs. This concludes our session on adverbs of manner.